I could wait 1,000 days.
Hey guys, kamusta kayo? So ngayong hapon na nakasama ko dalawang actually hindi ko naman talaga kilala itong isa.
Alam mong ganda mo.
Pero mukha siyang maganda.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys.
Tsaka
Maligay ko na content ko.
okay, here we go. Ito naman tayo ngayon. Picture natin sila. Hindi ko sila kilala actually. So yung isang yun. Anyways, hayaan mo sila. Hindi sila kilala. Pero mukha silang maganda. Pagtsagaan na natin. May hawak silang puso para sa siguro. So, yeah. Brad Pitt. Okay. Kasama yung pusa. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2...
Party, I'm not gonna lie. So call up somebody.
Okay,
Cause I ain't got the time.
5, 4, 3, 2...
I'm putting myself in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy. Cause this is how we do.
There we go.
We'll go
5,
dancing in the
4, 3,
club on a
2...
Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We'll go cruising down the beach till the morning light. So wild and free, feeling so alive, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We on that golden state of mind. We on that golden state of mind. We on that West Coast high. And we feeling that, feel that vibe. We on that. I could hardly walk on my own. I had to lift myself out of the trench below. Haven't I suffered enough to let you go? After all that you, I had you gone. After all that you,
So guys, ngayong araw ibilik tayo. Tatanungin natin siya kung pwedeng picture sila. Okay, taas? Ay, muna kayo.
Hi guys, avail na kayo ng The Coffee Shot t-shirt. Dry fit to dry fit. So good for bikers, joggers. So for only 350 pesos. Good quality naman. Uy, nag-endorse ako.
Ito mukha kasi maganda siya.
Kapatid ko. So kape na kayo dito sa The Coffee Shop Silangan, located at Phase 5 Old Army, Barangay Silangan, San Mateo, Rizal. Diba? Pangusin.
Guys, hindi ko na alam ang sabihin ko. Sinabi na...
The Coffee Shots Cafe, matatagpuan yan sa Timberland. Sarap yung kape namin. Bill na kayo. So ito na The Coffee Shot shirt. Mayroong yellow, white, black. Ito, navy blue. Ganda. Ang sexy ko tignan.
Hindi kasama yun. Hindi kasama yun.
Okay, ulit. Take two. Take two. Pero naka-record na din yun. Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys! Andito